Greetings everyone, I'm Del Cliff, and today I will be showing you two types of plants, monocot and dicot. Here you can see one of the example of monocot plant. As you can see, most monocot plants have parallel vein on their leaves. Most monocot plants has fibrous roots. As you can see, the roots are everywhere. As you can see, monocot for this particular tree, this is their fruit, and these little pieces are their seeds. As you can see here, this is the seeds of the palm oil tree. The orange part is the mesocarp, while the white ones is the kernel of the seed itself. Supposedly, monocot plants stem are soft, but this one, you see, it is woody at the outside, but actually inside of the stem is soft because it is full of water. Monocot plants germinate through a process called hypogeal germination. It occurs on most monocot plants. The cotyledon remain underground inside the soil, while the shoot will penetrate the soil, leaving the seed coat behind. The growth itself uses the endosperm as an energy to grow. Next, I will be showing you one of the dicot plant, and that is the okra plant, or known as the lady's finger. Like most dicot plants, they have net-like vein on their leaves. That's why dicot plants can be easily recognized by the pattern on their leaves. Most dicot plants has woody stem, but for okras, at the early stage, it is soft. The stem is really soft. But when it is mature enough, the stem itself will be woody, like the other dicot plants. Dicot plants has 4 or 5 petals of flowers. In this case, okra's flowers are not yet open, but sure enough, it has 4 or 5 petals. I'll be showing you the picture when it is bloom. Most dicot plants has 5 or 4 petal flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 5 petal flowers are common in most dicot plants. These are the okra's seed, and the white bits that you see on the seed is called a radicle. Dicot plants germinate through a process called apigeal germination. When the seed is started to grow, the hypocotyl will emerge from the soil, bringing the cotyledon out from the soil, and when the apicotyl started to grow, this seed coat will be separated from the stem and then fall on the ground. As a summary, the difference between monocot plant and dicot plant is that monocot plant has a ventricular veins on their leaves, a fibrous roots, a non-woody stem, and gone through a germination process called the hypogeal germination, while dicot has net-like vein on the leaves, a woody stem, a tap root. The flower has 4 until 5 petals and gone through a germination process called the apigeal germination. That is all from me about monocot and dicot plant. Thank you for listening.